Well, hello and a very warm welcome to all our viewers. You're watching the Cricket Next YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the Royal Challengers Bangalore. Now, what is wrong with RCB? I know you're not having a deja vu. I know this question has been doing rounds for the last 16 years, but this is probably the 16th time that this question has again come up कि RCB के साथ क्या गलत हो रहा है. In their 16 years, the RCB men's team haven't won a trophy because the women's team in their second season gave a trophy to their fans. But the men's team, well, they are standing right where they were for the last 10-16 years. बहुत कुछ खराब है आरसीबी के साथ इस सीजन में, and why we are talking about RCB again is because they have only won one match in this season, that too against Punjab Kings. उसके अलावा they have been in horrible form. Home advantage, probably there's no home advantage for the RCB fans. They are even worse at their own home at the Chinnaswamy Stadium, and that is something that is bothering the fans. Obviously, there's a lot of noise around RCB on social media. बहुत कुछ कहा जा रहा है, बहुत कुछ opinion, बहुत सारे opinion दिए जा रहे हैं. The ironical part about RCB is that once they had a gun batting lineup for years, they had the likes of AB de Villiers, Chris Gayle, Shane Watson, Yuvraj Singh, obviously Virat Kohli is still playing, Brendan McCullum, and the biggest irony is that the two players that smashed RCB in the last game. Well, I'll give you the basic summary of the last game. They played Sunrisers Hyderabad at the Chinnaswamy Stadium at their own home, and they conceded the highest ever team total in the history of Indian Premier League, 287 for the loss of just 3 wickets in 20 overs. Yes, you heard me right, 287, just 13 shy of 300 in a T20 game. The two architects of that 287 score, Travis Head and Henrik Larsson. What's the common point between both of them? They both played for RCB once. That has been actually the most sad part about RCB and their fans, that the players who once represented them, they did nothing substantial in RCB, then they left RCB, played for other team, and the kind of innings that they are playing now, that is probably hurting them the most. And the biggest name that has left RCB, and that is RCB's own mistake, that is probably where RCB dig their own grave, is Yuzvendra Chahal. That will probably be the biggest mystery amongst all other mysteries in IPL, is why RCB had to let go of Yuzvendra Chahal. He is arguably the best IPL bowler in the history of the tournament, along with Jasprit Bumrah, of course. But Yuzvendra Chahal आपकी टीम में और आप उन्हें जाने दें, और अब आपके पास कोई स्पिनर नहीं है. Your lead spinner in the previous game was Will Jacks, who is an all-rounder who bowls part-time. That is the case with RCB. शोर इतना noise इतनी हो चुकी है RCB को लेके कि there are people who want the team to dissolve and come up again. Mahesh Bhupati, a tennis legend, yesterday tweeted after RCB lost. He said that the IPL committee needs to intervene and give the RCB team to some other owner who can run this team with more passion, with more brain probably, and that has been the round. Many fans are saying that something needs to be done because this is not working. RCB usually loses at the auction table itself. They don't build a team good enough to go into the playoffs even, let alone winning an IPL trophy. So this is something that has been bothering the fans, has been bothering not just the RCB fans but the IPL fans, all the other team fans. They want all the teams to be competitive, and the way RCB is playing, it looks like a lost battle already. We are halfway through the season and RCB is almost mathematically they can still qualify, but their 1 foot is out the door already. Conditions are so bad that Glenn Maxwell, the RCB all-rounder, had to take a break now. He has announced a break from the Indian Premier League. He needs to be mentally and physically well, and he said that whenever I feel well, I'll make myself available again. This has been the case. Now Virat Kohli fans believe that ठीक है, loyalty एक जगह है, आपने काफ़ी loyalty दिखाई RCB को लेके. Now please RCB, go to some other, leave RCB and go to some other franchise and please win an IPL trophy. You should win an IPL trophy, and with this team they believe that Virat Kohli has no chance to win an IPL trophy. काफी शोर है RCB को लेके, काफी गुस्सा है, काफी आक्रोश है, जो कहते हैं there's a lot of aggression towards the RCB team, especially from the RCB fans. They are probably the most loyal fans of any sporting team around the world. They have been backing their team for the last 16 seasons, even though they have not still got a trophy from the men's team. Still every match they fill the stadium, they cheer for their players. Social media में RCB is always number one just because their fans are making a lot of noise. They defend their team, they defend their players to death, saying that no, they are good players, they will come back, we will come back. Not even they, we will come back. They consider their team as a part of their family, but the returns they are getting are absolutely nothing. This तरीके performance RCB दे रही है, and the RCB fans are now getting they are fed up of the team. They are really angry with their performances, because losing is one thing, ठीक है आप जीत नहीं रहे हो, पर जिस तरीके से आप हार रहे हो, that is a cause of concern. As I said, many Virat Kohli fans want him to just leave RCB, go to some other franchise and win an IPL, but there are again the best and the worst thing about RCB fans is that they still remain loyal to the team no matter what happens. So ये performance के बाद भी we are pretty sure there will be a lot of RCB fans, probably 90% of the RCB fans will stick with the team still, and they still believe, not for this season, then for the next season. Well, we have a mega auction coming up. Now the fans are eyeing that mega auction kit. Just retain one or two important players, let go of everybody else and build a team, and that is where RCB is going wrong. They are building a superstar batting lineup, but they are not balancing it with having good bowlers in their team. आप एक तरफ गन बैटिंग लाइनअप भर लीजिए, आप डिविलियर्स भर लीजिए, गेल भर लीजिए, विराट कोहली भर लीजिए, शेन वॉटसन, ब्रेंडन मैकलम, युवराज सिंह, जितने मर्जी बैटर्स भर लीजिए, लेकिन जब उनको बैलेंस करने के लिए आपके पास बॉलर्स नहीं होंगे, तो यू विल नेवर बी एबल टू विन एन IPL, and that has been the cause of worry for the Royal Challengers Bangalore team. And this is something that they'll need to work upon. They'll need to build a balanced squad from the next mega auctions. They should have good batters, obviously, along with Virat Kohli, other gun batters, but they should also have great bowling lineup, at least a good bowling lineup, if not great, because now, as of now, the bowling lineup is really questionable. We'll have to wait and see ये noise कहाँ तक जाती है. RCB still have a lot of matches to play in this IPL. What will be their performance? Will be they able to win some matches for their team? ये देखना बहुत ज़रूरी होगा, क्योंकि अभी भी हारते गए तो बहुत शोर बढ़ेगा. And as I said, the likes of Mahesh Bhupathi and other former cricketers, other experts are saying that RCB needs to work on the management level as well. They need to bring in passionate people who can run the team well with more passion and with more hunger. Well, this might happen if this case continues. Well, to stay updated with all the cricketing news, all the IPL news, do subscribe to the Cricket Next YouTube channel, and please enjoy the IPL.